welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra for those of you who are new, and those of you who aren't, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting product that I want to show you guys. If you're looking at my hair and wondering how I got it this curly and how beautiful it looks, I'm going to show you how. I partnered up with RobeCurls to go ahead and teach you guys how to make your hair look like this. And you guys, I'm obsessed. So if you want to know how to get your hair to look like this, keep watching. Okay, bonitas, so we are going to be trying this out. I'm so excited. I have seen so many videos about RobeCurls. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to try it out. I hate putting heat in my hair so bad, so we are going to see if this is our new go-to. And the package comes with one curling headband and 2 scrunchies so that you can tie your hair. I did wash my hair yesterday and it was really late, so my hair was too wet for me to actually put the headband on. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with a little bit of water just to dampen it a little. This is my natural poofy hair and we're just gonna jump it up a little. Actually going to try and part it to the side. Okay, so we're gonna brush through the hair, make sure that there are no knots so that the curls can come out looking pretty. Just going to kind of split it in half. You just feel it with your head. And we're going to put on this. Kind of make it even. Once the band is centered, I went and helped myself with my hair clip. You can literally just hold the headband with the other side of the hair that you won't be wrapping just yet. But the hair clip just seemed easier for me. Now you're going to grab the very front piece of hair from your head and wrap it once. Once you wrap it once, you're going to add more hair. Now in this part right here, I added hair from the front and from the back, but you can literally just grab from the front and attach that front hair to the back. That way you don't get a little confused. So you're just going to keep wrapping and adding more hair. It's very easy, but make sure you keep the curl tight around the curling band. That way the curl is well formed, and make sure that there are no knots in the hair. That way it doesn't look like a messy curl. And you're going to keep going just like that until you reach the bottom, and you're going to tie it with a scrunchie. Okay, so now we're moving on to the other side, and just like the other side, grab the very top piece of hair, section it off a piece from the bottom and attach it, wrap it around as you go, keep adding more hair. You guys, this literally gets easy with the more times that you do it. It should only take you about a minute and a half to get your whole hair wrapped into it. I absolutely loved this product. You guys will see the results at the end. So just make sure you keep wrapping very tightly, that there are no knots in your hair, and tie it with the scrunchie, and I'll show you how it looks in just a second. Okay, so now that it looks like this, you can actually pin them up back here. You can let this go. And look how pretty it looks as a headband. This is kind of cute. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in for a couple of hours while I do chores around the house, and I'll be back to show you the results and to take this off with you so we can do it together. And let's see how this does. For right now, this feels super comfortable, super lightweight. Like I could move my head without a problem. Like this is perfect. So if this works, I'm gonna be stuck to this. Like this is gonna be my go-to for curling my hair, because who wants to keep burning their hair? So let's see how this goes. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, bonitas, so we are back. It's been almost 5 hours since I put the RobeCurls band in my hair, and you guys, I'm so excited to see how it's going to turn out. So let's go ahead and remove it. One side first. You guys, oh my God, bonitas, this looks so pretty. Let's see. You guys, I am shook. Look at this. This looks so pretty. Oh my God, look at my hair. And this was only almost 5 hours. I want to say like 4 hours and a half. Not even overnight. And it looks this good. Look how pretty. This looks so good. Let me see how it looks in the back. Look at this hair, you guys. Like, I'm shook. Look how pretty this looks. And there's absolutely no product in my hair. It's literally just this. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, RobeCurls, for sending me your product. I absolutely love it. And bonitas, you need this in your life. Put it in at night or while you're doing chores, and in a couple of hours you'll have beautiful heatless curls. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And let me know if you try it out, because I give it 100%, 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. So bye bonitas, I'll see you guys in the next video.